Welcome back to Everyday English for Business, the podcast that decodes the unwritten rules of the workplace.
Today, we're talking about the number one problem in teamwork, the person who doesn't do their fair share of the work.
We're going to show you how to handle this situation professionally. It all comes down to one key phrase, pulling your weight. We'll share two different stories to show you what we mean.
I was on a project team. One person, let's call him Mark, was responsible for the social media graphics. He kept missing deadlines and his work wasn't good. The rest of us were working late, fixing his mistakes. We were all pulling our weight, but he wasn't. It was very frustrating.
That sounds difficult. I had the opposite situation. I was leading a project, and a new analyst, Sarah, was fantastic. She finished her tasks early, then she saw another teammate was overwhelmed and offered to help him. She didn't just pull her own weight, she helped the whole team succeed.
So as you can hear in our stories, to pull your weight means to do your fair and equal share of the work in a group.
Exactly. It means being a dependable teammate, someone others can trust. When someone doesn't pull their weight, it causes problems. When they do, it builds trust.
Okay, so you are in a situation like my story with Mark. Someone isn't pulling their weight. What can you do? Here is your playbook with two simple plays.
Don't blame them in front of the group. Ask for a quick, private chat. You can say, I feel a bit overwhelmed with the project tasks. Can we check the workload to make sure it's fair for everyone?
In a situation like David's story with Sarah, it's powerful to praise her effort. In a team meeting, you could say, I want to thank Sarah. She has been pulling more than her weight to help us meet the deadline, and I really appreciate it. This shows the whole team what good teamwork looks like.
Now, how do you talk about this in a job interview? An interviewer might ask, tell me about a time you worked on a team.
You can use this playbook to show you are a great teammate. Here's a model answer. In my last project, our team had a tight deadline. I made sure to pull my own weight by finishing my tasks early. Then I saw a colleague was struggling, so I offered to help him. For me, teamwork means everyone pulling their own weight and supporting each other.
Want more phrases and strategies to talk about your skills in an interview? Grab our guide, Behavioral Interview Power. Impress employers in business. You'll get sample answers, essential idioms, and audio and videos you can practice with. The link is in the show notes.
So the ability to talk about pulling your weight is a strategic tool for managing teams and proving your value.
The key takeaway is this. Pulling your weight is the minimum. Great teammates help balance the work for everyone.
Now it's your turn. Have you ever worked with someone who didn't pull their weight? What did you do? Comment below or share your own story. We'd love to hear from you. If this conversation helped you in any way, click like and subscribe to make sure YouTube shows you the next podcast in the series.